Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 4 of your textbook, and name of this chapter is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so what is the linear equation in two variables? Firstly, we have to understand this linear equation. Linear equation means if the equation have highest power 1, that means degree of the equation is 1, then it is says to be linear equation, which you already learned in previous classes, and also you learn about the find the value of that linear equation. Okay, so here some examples of linear equation is given, which we have to see here. X plus 1 equal to 0 is given, no? See carefully, x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus under root 2 equal to 0, 2 under root y plus root 3 equal to 0, 1 2 3. These are the three linear equations which are given there. So you can see one thing there. There is only one variable. Okay, in last classes you have learned about the linear equation in one variable, but now you have to learn about the linear equation in two variables. So this linear equation is a relation between these two variables, shows the relation between these two variables, and from this linear equations we have to find the values of these variables. Okay, suppose you have linear equation there, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, where highest power of x is 1 and only one variable is there, which is x, no? So solution of this equation is minus 5 upon 2, because if we transpose 2x equal to plus 3x equal to, there will be minus 5 and value of x equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay, which is written there. Now already you have learned one more thing there, how to represent this solution of a linear equation in a number line. So see, there in a number line there is the solution is minus 5 upon 2. So how can we represent minus 5 upon 2? Since minus 5 upon 2 is a negative number, so we have to plot it into left hand side of 0 of linear equation. So sorry, in a number line. So minus 5 upon 2 lie between minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, because minus 5 upon 2 is the in decimal form there will be minus 2.5. so this is the half of minus 2 and minus 3. So we have to put this minus 5 upon 2 there, minus 5 upon 2 between minus 3 upon minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, now in this chapter, this is the previous part, okay, which you already learned. Now in this chapter we have to learn about the linear equation in linear equations in two variables. Okay, so in next page there is some properties of linear equation is given there, which we have to know. So first property is, see, in any kind of linear equation the same number is added to or subtracted both the side of the equation. So linear equation have one thing, that any of the equation have one that thing which have equal to sign. Okay, and equal to signs left side is says to be LHS and RHS side is RHS, that means right hand side. So we have two sides in a equation. So their first property says that the same number is added to or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. Okay, we can add or subtract with the same number in both the side of a linear equation. Second property, the multiply or divide both the side of a equation by the same non-zero number. Okay, अगर हम ये दोनों कंडीशन देखते हैं, after these two conditions we have that linear equation does not vary anymore or anything, it have similar values. So after these two we can say that the linear equation have similar to previous one. Suppose we have a linear equation, then if we add both the side 5 in the equation, then there will be no change in the previous equation. This will be remain same, and if we multiply by 5 in both the side, if we divide the 5 both the side, or any number, non-zero number, if we divide, then non-zero number we have to take. So if we take this kind of thing, so linear equation does not change, it will remain same. Okay, now there is one condition given. So condition is there, let us consider the following situation is there is in a one day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored how much? 176 run. Express this information in the form of a equation. Okay, so in a match, two batsmen were scored 176 runs. Uh, they scored this run together. That means summation of these two batsmen's score is equal to 176. Now we have to express this information in a equation form. So suppose both the numbers are unknown now, because we did not know first batsman how much is scored, second batsman how much is scored. So we are taking as first batsman scored x run and second batsman scored y run. Okay, so x and y, these two both are the variable term, that means they will vary with the situation or the another question. But so we have to suppose these two situation with x and y. Okay, so situation is first batsman run is x and second batsman run is y. Now if they scored together 176, okay, if they scored 176 together, then the run of first batsman is x and run of second batsman is y. So if we add these two, then we will get surely 176. This is the required equation. If we have to form this condition in equation, then x plus y equal to 76 is a required equation. Okay, that means the summation of runs between these two batsmen is 176, which is the required equation. Okay, now there are some examples were given. So write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is the standard form of a linear equation of two variables. Okay, standard form है ये ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants and x and y are variable. That means they will vary with the situations, and a, b, c will be the constant, that means they remains always same. So question number first is there, 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37, and we have to denote it in the form of this, that means in the standard form. So 2x plus 3y, that means ax plus by is given there. Now we have to compare this now. In this question we have to indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. So after comparing these and these, after comparing the given question and the standard form of the equation, this and the given question, in the place of ax equal to 2x is given there, x cancel to each other, then there will be a equal to 2. So value of a equal to 2, okay, which is given there, and value of b equal to 3. So how can we find b? Similarly we have to check that what is the value of bx there. So in this equation by equal to, there is a 3y. So after comparing we have to cancel y with y of both the side, because y is similar to each other, and if we multiplying that same quantity in a linear equation, then we can divide same quantity in a linear equation. So if we divided y in the both the side, then y will be cancelled to each other, then there will be b equal to 3, which is written there. Okay, and last term is there 4.37. okay, 4.37 is given there, which is the value of c or not. So one more thing we have to check, there is an equal to sign, and 4.37 is the in RHS, and there is C, so we have to compare C with this 4.37. so value of C will be minus 4.37 because C is in the left hand side and 4.37 is in right hand side. Then it means we have to transpose it into left hand side to right hand side, then it will be change their sign, so there will be C equal to 4.37. okay, similarly you can do the further questions. So question number third is little bit different, so I'm going to explain this one also. There is 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. So 5x equal 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. In this equation we have to make it into standard form first. So 4 equal to 5x minus 3y is given now. So we have to take it into ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in this form. So there is 4, so we have to take all that thing into left hand side. So there will be minus 5x, then thereafter there is plus 3y will be now, because there is minus 3y, then it will be transpose, then will change their sign, plus 3y. Now there is plus 4, so I am writing plus 4 as it is. So linear equation is in standard form now. 5x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Now compare, then you will get a equal to minus 5 because we have ax equal to minus 5x, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4. okay, these are the solution of this equation, this question. So there is b equal to minus 5. After comparing a equal to minus 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4. okay, which we can take from there. okay, in the comparison section we have to check now what is the value of ax there and what is the value of what is the value of ax in the linear equation, in the given equation. So there is ax equal to minus 5x, so value of a equal to minus 5, there is by, that means there is 3y, so value of b equal to 3, value of a equal to minus 5 and value of c equal to 4 because c is the constant term and there is 4 is also a constant term. okay, so these is the example. Now in example number second, in example number second we have, in this example we have write each of the following equation in two variables. okay, so there is the given question and we have to write this equation into two in the terms of two variables. So there is x equal to minus 5 and standard form, which we know that what is the standard form of a linear equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. so we have to write it into a standard form. There is y or not, there is no y, so we have to take it x, because with the help of with the x is nothing, that means there will be 1, but there is no y, so we may write there 0y because 0 into y equal to 0, but we have to write it into a standard form, that means we have to put some y there, that's why I written there 0y, and which is equal to minus 5. so I have to take minus 5 in the form of plus c, that means in the form in the LHS term. So in the place of plus c I am writing there plus 5 because minus 5 is there, and if we transpose this then it will change their sign, then there will be plus sign. So there will be plus 1x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0, which is the standard form of the given question. okay, similarly you can do further questions from exercise 4.1. we will start tomorrow and do these examples 1 and 2 in your notes or your rough notes, and do practice more and more. From tomorrow we will do question number first and second. okay, question number second is similar to the examples, so we will do in next day. okay, thank you.